Brand: Coleman. Color: blue. Material: enamel. Occasion: outdoor. Capacity: 12 ounces. Made of the highest quality materials. Camping cooking supplies cookware. Another quality Coleman product. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect item found in area I never thought to look in. We needed a cup that wasn't going to break if dropped and didn't want plastic, but everything that met our requirements was more expensive than what we needed. After going through multiple pages, this camping cup came up. It not only met our requirements, but once we received it, it exceeded them. Black, small, square, inexpensive, sturdy, it keeps hot liquid hot longer. Be sure to use the handle as cup will be hot, cold stays cold longer. My advice is, if you aren't seeing exactly what you want, don't settle. Keep going through the Amazon related pages. You may just luck out find the very thing you want from someplace you never thought to look.